I couldn't believe it when I saw it. It became me, like the whole room light up.
Yes. And
I
you heard the bells?
I heard the bells. It was like bells on my ears, like in the back of my ears, and like beautiful bells.
So take a breath in. And now, what's that feeling around your heart, right? I don't want you to judge it. I want you to actually see it as a sensation, because it is a sensation, right? You feel like a certain feeling. Just we get taught to judge it as, oh, this is anxiety, this is that. I just want you to sense it right now, okay? Just watch it. And this
I
time, for
shake.
the first time, we're not going to run away from it, okay? But
Yeah,
you're also not going to get sucked into it. So, when like you usually feel anxiety, the anxiety is like, oh, you got to do this now. Just watch the Netflix, or just smoke some
yeah,
weed, or just call a friend, or just talk to the addictive relationship, right?
yeah.
All right. The obsessive relationship, you said. All right. So if we heal that energy blockage, you will detach yourself from that obsession and you will be free to choose. Doesn't that sound nicer?
Like I have so much anxiety. Like I'm shaking.
Is it anxiety or is it excitement? Because I hit a nerve.
Feels like I'm on top of a roller coaster.
Okay. So take a breath. Good job. Now, watch that feeling right now. In this moment, right? You hear my voice, right? You hear my voice.
Hmm.
It's life is only about this moment. This moment right now, D, okay? There's nothing more important than this moment. Because when the future comes, it's only this moment, and the past is already dead. So we don't give a fuck about the past. We give a fuck about this moment right now. And this moment, you have your hair on your cheeks, you have your eyes closed, and you hear my voice, right?
Right.
And I'm with you right now on a call, and you're holding your phone, and you're in your room, and you have a temperature, and there's a feeling in your body. Can you allow yourself, can you give yourself the acceptance, the allowance to feel that feeling, to let it be there?
It's hard.
Okay. Can you allow for it to be hard?
Yeah.
Can you allow it for it to be hard? Eckhart Tolle says life is hard, but if you accept that it's hard, it's not hard anymore. So, D, can you allow yourself that it's hard right now, the feeling?
Yeah. Yeah.
And now, are you a little closer to the feeling now?
Yeah.
Okay. So, that feeling is like when you were a kid, that feeling came up, but you didn't process it because someone screamed at you, but you didn't know how to process it. But we're going to process it now, okay? You ready?
Okay.
It's going to be
I'm
fun, okay?
scared.
It's going
I'm
to be fun.
scared.
No, it's going to be fun.
Okay.
So, can you allow yourself to be a little scared?
Yes.
All right. Can you allow yourself to feel that feeling, to watch it?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you see it right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you be with it and can you let it do what it wants to do? Just watch it. You don't have, yes, that's good. And whatever comes out, comes out. That's good. Let
I
it
feel
move
I feel
wherever.
like I'm on it feels like I'm on water. It's like unsettled.
That's good. Let it be unsettled. I want you to want it to be unsettled. I want you
It's
to
un-
want it to be. I want you to embrace it to be. And if tears come, I want you to embrace those tears.
it's uncomfortable.
Yes. Can you allow it to be like really uncomfortable? Because the more you allow it to be uncomfortable, the more, you know what it wants to do? It actually wants to move, but it wants to be seen by you. And because you didn't see it, it stayed in your body. So can you give it a gift and see it right now and just stay with it? Okay? Just for a moment right now. Just stay with it and just Watch it and tell me if you watch it right now, does it move?
Yeah.
Okay. And if tears come or if a breath come, okay, I don't want you to stop it. I want you to, if the breath comes, then you breathe. And if tears come, the tears come. And in your chest, something moves, then you let it move. And now let's watch your chest, okay? Because I can feel it. All right, let's watch your chest and let it move and allow it to be whatever it is right now. You're doing great. Doing great. Keep watching it. Keep breathing with it. Keep breathing it through. You're doing great. Yes, watch it. You're doing so amazing. Watch it. You're doing so amazing. I can feel. You can feel it too. You can watch it. You be there for it right now. You're doing great. You're doing so great. Stay there.
It feels really heavy.
Yes, it's gonna stay there. It wants to be seen. It's gonna move. Watch it and allow it to be this heavy because it can't do nothing to you. It can't do nothing to you because you watch it. It's not you, but I want you to watch it. And the feeling of heaviness is just a sensation. It's just a sensation. So keep watching it and stay with it. You're doing great. Keep breathing through it. Keep breathing it through. Is it moving?
Yeah,
Let it
it's
move.
like a like if I'm going
Is it
through
shaking?
something like yeah, through something fast.
Yeah, it wants
It's
to
like
move. Let it move. Watch it. It's like a kid. You gotta let it free. Let it free. Don't touch it. Don't interfere. Watch it. Let it move. Okay? Watch it. You're doing great. You're doing great. You're doing amazing. Watch it. Let it do what it wants to do. And let your body do what it wants to do. You're doing amazing. Doing great. Keep watching it. Keep breathing through it. Good job. What is it doing? It's
it's
moving. Is it
yeah,
different?
I hear it feels like my body is like pulsating.
Yes, you're doing so amazing. This is perfect what's happening. I want you to allow exactly that. Watch it and allow it. And it's almost like you step back from it and you watch it, okay? Step back
Yeah,
from because you're
it's
not the
really
feeling, you watch it.
I'm scared.
No, you don't have to. Can you allow yourself? Say, I allow myself to be scared. Say
I
it.
allow I allow myself to be scared.
Say it again. I allow myself to be scared.
I allow myself to be scared.
Say, I allow fear to be in my body. Say, I
I
allow the feeling of fear to be in my body. You're doing great. Tears, it's a release that's happening. It's a release. You're doing amazing. You're releasing an energy blockage. You're doing great. Let exactly. Let it allow. Whatever happens right now is beautiful. You're doing so good. It's so beautiful. You're doing amazing. You're doing really, really good. You're so good at this. All right.
really
Keep watching it. You're so good at this. Keep watching it. All right. I allow myself to feel this way.
I allow myself to feel this way.
I allow myself to be in this moment.
I allow myself to be in this moment.
I allow myself to watch this feeling.
I allow myself to watch this feeling.
I allow myself to know that I'm doing really good.
I allow myself to know that I'm doing really
You're
good.
doing really good. Okay, watch it. Did it change?
Yeah, it's more stable.
Perfect. Watch it. You're doing amazing. This is a perfect process. You're doing amazing. Watch it where it's stable right now, okay? You watch it? You see it?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. I give you now some time to watch it and see it and allow it. And I'm here with you. So watch it now. Can you allow it?
Yeah, I allow it.
Perfect. It's a little easier now because you have a little practice, right? You know what's going on.
Yeah, it's easier.
That's great. Stay with it. You went through the hardest part. You're doing great. You at a beautiful point. Watch it. All right. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Deep breaths. Deep breath in. Woo! Deep breath out. Good job. Keep watching it. Is it staying or is it moving?
It's stable. It's moving a little bit
Okay.
to my right.
Is it lighter?
Yeah, it's bright.
It's bright?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Keep breathing.
Um,
I want you to know that you did fucking amazing work just now because you released a good part of an energy blockage and you will have some amazing gifts from that. Just watch it, stay with it, and tell me is it staying? Is it moving a little bit?
no, it's not moving anymore. Um,
Do you
it's
feel
just bright,
okay?
but
It's bright. Is
I
it
can
feeling
hear.
bright
Um,
light?
it's a bright light, and then I can hear bells.
You can hear bells? Okay. I want you to allow the bells, okay? And I want you to allow the bright light, okay? The most important thing right now is what's happening right now. Allow the bright light and allow the bells, okay?
Yeah.
Allow the bells. You're doing great. Allow the bells and the bright light and allow everything, okay? You're doing great. You're doing super good. Okay. Okay. Stay where you are. Keep breathing. Okay. I'm going to count you down from 15. Keep your eyes closed. I'm going to count you down from 15 to 1 to 0. On 0, you're going to open your eyes. Every count, you're going to be more refreshed, more easy, more light, more high vibration, more refreshed, more excited, more easy, more effortless, more beautiful, more relaxed, more easy. I'm going to count down in a second. Stay there. You're going to be more refreshed. Okay. 15, you're more refreshed. 14, you're more easy. 13, you're more refreshed. 12, you're more easy. 11, you're more accepting. 10, you're more allowing. 9, you're more allowing. 8, you're more easy. 7, you're more easy. 6, you're more allowing. 5, you're more accepting. 4, you're more refreshed. 3, you highest vibration, highest energy. 2, you're in high vibration, high energy. You transform to a new reality. You're a new person. 1, you're amazing. Slowly, slowly. 0, open. Slowly. Water, air, fire, ease. Stay there, stay with you. You don't have to talk. Don't talk. Just stay with you for a second. Doing great. All right. You got it. Okay. Whew. My love. You did
Thank
so
you.
great. You're welcome. You did
It's been
amazing.
like my I was not in my body. I can't I can't explain it. I just I felt like my body was elevated and just vibrating, and my eyes were closed but I could see the room. It's just it was dark and I was really scared, and then it got lighter and
But now
just
you feel light, right?
yeah, I do.
You look different. You look like a different person.
It felt really good.
You look bright.
Thank you.
You're
It
welcome.
felt really good. I can't explain it. I really can't.
Next,
I yeah,
let's see.
it feels really nice. It's my tears felt different. My chest doesn't feel like it doesn't feel overwhelmed. I don't feel pressure on my chest.
You see, you transformed it. And you were so scared of that feeling. But that
Yeah.
feeling was wanted to be seen. And over years, it built so much pressure, stress, right? But the only
Yeah.
thing it wants is to be seen, right? You accepted it, you allowed it, you didn't resist it anymore. You saw
Yeah.
what I did, right?
Yeah.
Next time you feel that attachment or anything or obsession or anything, instead of doing some crazy, lie on your bed there and do what I did with you, okay? And watch it. That's how you heal it. And when you heal it, you become a new person.
Right. I've never confronted, the fear of what you just did right now. I've always been told to stay away from it, just to keep away from
Yes.
anxiety because it's so scary.
I want you to look at it more as different than confronting. I want you to look at it, remember my words. I want you to look at it as allowing and
Allowing.
watching. You remember you weren't entangled in it, you weren't sucked into it, you
Yeah.
were watching it, right?
Yeah.
I want you to remember that.
It was crazy because I was watching it, but it was me
Yes. Because
sitting in
that's
the
really
corner.
you. Say it again.
It was Yeah, I said it was me sitting in the corner of my bed. I could see it. It was me, just a darker me, just sad me.
Yes.
And I was really afraid because it was getting closer to me, and I felt how overwhelmed she was, and I was terrified of it because I didn't want me to be like that.
And you just transformed. Do you know you just transformed it?
Yeah, I felt really beautiful. I don't have the words.
Do
I
you
haven't
know
been
you
able
just
to
made it
sleep.
from, do you know you just made it to light?
Yeah, I couldn't believe it when I saw it. It became me, like the whole room light up.
Yes. And
I
you heard the bells?
I heard the bells. It was like bells on my ears, like in the back of my ears, and like beautiful bells. I can't, and then it's just I
You translated energy. That's
I
energy. You
can't I
translated it.
don't I don't yeah, I can't even explain the whole. I am gonna do a TikTok video about this because it's just I I saw myself in water, and then I was walking, and something heavy, the closer it got to me, and finally when I allowed it, it became light, and then I saw clear in my room, and but my eyes were closed,
So,
and I don't know how you can't. I can't stop smiling. Like,
see, you a different person. You you switch to a different reality. It's what Bashar says. Bashar says if you raise your vibration, you switch to you're a different person. You're not even the same person anymore that was just before. You healed an energy blockage inside of you. So you will be completely different from now on. You did so amazing, and I'm so proud and I stayed with you, and I love that you stayed with me and you trusted me, and you stayed there and you watched it, and you
thank
transformed
you.
it. So,
Yeah, it's
do, and
it's hard for me to, like I told you, to trust anyone, especially live. But I just, when I saw your live on TikTok and I heard you talking, I feel like a smack on my head, like, oh, that's me. Oh, that's me. And it overwhelmed me, and I couldn't stop crying and crying, and I didn't know how to stop it. And it felt
because you
like I was
saw yourself.
drowning. Yeah.
I said something where you saw, oh, this, and this is what I tell everyone. Observation, it's important to be aware. Awareness will heal you.